Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are making black eyed peas curry. So I have soaked this for overnight. I took 1 full cup of black pea eyes. Now let's pressure cook it. Let's add a little bit of salt and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and then pressure cook it until 5 whistles. Now let's chop some veggies, half an onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, some cilantro, 1 tomato, few curry leaves, 3 green chilies. Okay, now let's heat up the pan. Add about 1.5 teaspoon of vegetable oil, cooking oil. I'm using mustard oil. Add some onion, not everything that you have chopped, and then add a handful of grated coconut. Let's saute it. Once the onion turns golden brown, we will take it aside and cool it. Take it out in a plate and let it cool down. Now let's take another teaspoon of oil in the same pan. Add about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is black mustard seeds, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of asafoetida, and mix it well. Then add some curry leaves and garlic, chopped garlic. Saute it. As it turns golden brown, you will get that amazing aroma. Now add half an inch of ginger and then add onion and saute everything together. Mix everything well. Once the onion turns golden brown, add tomato and green chili and mix it well. Once the tomatoes are soft, now at the meantime, let's grind the onion and coconut. Okay, let's come back to our curry. Let's add turmeric, half a teaspoon, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt as per taste. Mix it well. So now let's get back to our paste. I had added a little bit of water to make that paste. Now mix everything together. I have added the onion and coconut paste to the curry. Cook everything together for about a minute or 2, and you can add extra water as per the consistency that you need, and mix everything together. After it starts boiling, now is the time to add our boiled chickpea. In Hindi we call it lobia. So it will look like that. So let's add it to our curry. It is a very high protein curry. Black eyed peas are high and rich in protein. It's a delicious recipe. Cook it for another minute or 2, and once everything starts boiling, it is ready. Garnish with some coriander, mix it well, and it is ready to serve. You can have it in lunch or dinner. It is very nutritious dish. Please give it a try and let me know if you enjoyed it. It is a healthy option.